Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. Looking for a knife. I'll just use my normal key. Sorry, I'm blocking the light. So, more parts for my home-built data center and server center, which is an experimental mashup for DIY to video community. I'm experimenting here at the house to prepare myself for setting up a real server center and data center for DIY to. So I'm getting all the equipment here that I need in order to make this happen. Boy, that's taped. This is going to be very, very helpful. I knew what it was by the size of the box, and because it showed it had arrived already. Oh no, there's only 3. I hope there's more than 3. There's supposed to be 5. These are the trays. Oh, I really hope there's 1, 2. I hope there's... Oh no, there's only 3. There's supposed to be 5. Uh-oh. There's supposed to be 5 trays. Well, hopefully 2 of these are doubled up. Well, let's open them up and see. I hope they're doubled up. I'm going to have to get something to cut these open. Be right back. Alright, what we have here is some hard drive caddies for my enclosure that I got the other day. Now, I'm going to pull this off site for a minute. Now, I found out, I've been talking to some recyclers, and I found out why you never get the hard drive caddy when you buy a second-hand server. Yeah, there's 2 there. Good. Very good. When you buy a second-hand server, you never get the hard drives or the caddies. Rarely. That's because they pull them out. The big centers, they pull them out, and then they smash them up in a hurry to get rid of the hard drives and the data, rather than taking any time on opening these up, taking out the screws. It's just quicker because they have so many to deal with. I'm hoping this will fit the Dell 2950 and the hard drive enclosure that I got. These ones have plastic rails, so they're probably a little bit newer replacement models for the systems. So there's 5. That's a relief. When I first saw only 3 packs, I'm like, oh no! The reason is I'm sort of in a hurry to get all these done. A lot of tape, sticky stuff. I really want to get all this done because I'm on a timeline here. A schedule. Oh, that one popped open. I was going to say, well, you don't have to watch me open all that. I'm going to get the other one open. I'll be right there. Okay, there's 5 hard drive caddies. I'll take them down and check them out in a minute here. So I got them. And then I got another package here, which is going to help with this very project. And that is a whole pack of screws. Hard drive mounting screws. Alright, well, let's take this on down and see if these will fit a 2950. I sure hope so. See you downstairs. Alright, I'm over to the hard drive enclosure where I really need these and hope they'll fit. This is the idea that they'll go in here. Oh, I gotta slide this forward. That won't go in like that. There's something in the way. I hope they're gonna be fine. If it slides in part way, it should slide in all the way, right? See, I wasn't sure because it said Let's, oh, there it is. I think it's gonna go. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check inside. I need better light. Can you give me that light, please? I really hope these fit. What is hitting in here? What is hitting? It looks like they go in, but they stop right at the edge. I'm sure I can modify them if they don't. Looks like they want to go. What's the difference here? I don't see a difference. I don't see a difference. The sliders, the rails, it's exactly the same here. That should go. It's just plastic is the only problem. Oh, what are those? Those blue things are... No, that shouldn't be either. Oh, yes it is. Those blue tabs. What are those about? There's those blue tabs is the only thing hitting in the way there. See those blue tabs? So I'll have to figure this out. I'm thinking that's what's causing me trouble right here. Of course, I might have these. I don't know. Well, I'm going to fiddle with that a minute. I'll be back. No point in let you wasting your time on video this whole time. Well, guys, I can't get this one in now. I've got the original sitting next to it. There is no difference at all. Even the little metal tabs inside, every single thing is precisely the same. One's plastic and one is metal. I don't see anything at all. I see here where something's rubbing on that, so I have to see what that is. But the plastic one isn't sliding in all the way, and I don't get it. I can't see anything except for these weird blue tabs. I don't know what those are about. The notches are the same. All the metal tabs in here are the same. The only thing different is this aluminum frame has a little tab on the inside there, but I can't imagine not having that would block. I'm hitting a block. So I'll have to mess with it. It looks like it's going to work. It absolutely looks like it's going to work. So I think it's going to be fine. I just got to figure out what I'm hitting in there and why. But I'll take care of that later. Brief update. We have success. I took a Leatherman and I cut off this little blue tab. Why it was there, I don't know. The second one doesn't matter. But I cut off the front one, and I've got some very low-priced hard drive trays. So, and it looks like everything else is exactly the same. So they're gonna work. That's the original that I had, and that's the new one. It's gonna work. Good to go. There's some more stuff arrived in the mail, and we're gonna get this together. Is Michelle waving? Thanks for watching, guys. This is Troy from the Do It Yourself World Electronics, setting up a server center.